Alright, now we're riding the subway train to Terminal A here in this video. Last second terminal's D&E right there. Yep, and here we go. Train number 6. Train number 6.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
Okay, directions. We're riding Terminal C. We'll hurry up and get into the front before the train closes up. Oops, excuse me, sorry. Oh, sweet, I made it just in time before the train ended up closing. Okay, we're in, and again, we're in train number 6.
You are both doing the same thing.
I'm going to Terminal A.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the
Oh, I see you're also recording the train too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You and I are both doing the same thing, except that.
Nice. So yeah, we're already leaving Terminal C. We're about to approach the hotel. And we're going fast too. Trying to make sure my camera isn't too shaky.
But if you hold it against the bar, like I'm doing,
Oh yeah.
by pressure, you're going to hold it against it like I am doing.
Oh cool.
That way it's smooth.
Nice.
If you ever watch YouTube, it's at Greg Smith.
Oh yeah, I've seen plenty of videos of this train. Yep.
Travel all around the world.
Yep. And we're about to approach the hotel.
Yeah,
There we go.
Saw you riding earlier, so.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I saw you were getting off at C. I was riding to D&E. Okay, we're arriving at the hotel, and there doesn't. Well, there's one person. It's not that busy here. So yeah, like I said, they're already riding the train to Terminal A. And that's the hotel out there. I really do like the Marriott Hotel here. It's really nice. Okay, now here we go.
You are at the Marriott Hotel. Hold on to the
Alright, and now we're leaving the hotel. We're heading off to Terminal B, so it's only 2 more stops. Yeah, the most interesting thing also about this train is that, as I said it so many times, man, this train feels so much like a roller coaster. sorry for all this train going so fast. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Okay, we're approaching Terminal B.
You are at Terminal B. Hold on to the handbrake. Your next stop will be Terminal A.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal B. Agarre la barrada de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal A.
So yep, there's Terminal B out there. There's the elevators right there. All that kind of stuff. Okay, here we go now. We're closing up.